guys, it's Anna here, and I have another planner setup to show you. Yes, it's pretty recently I uploaded a planner setup, and pretty much right after I filmed that setup video, I switched to my official winter setup. And that's why I am now ready to show you another one. And I'm really excited because I jumped from my gray personal-sized kikki.K planner into my soft pink one. This one I've owned for actually quite a while, but I haven't really used it actively ever, really. So I'm so excited to finally make this my main planner. I do have this one in the A5 version as well, and that one I did use as my winter planner last year. So that's why this one kind of became an obvious choice for me to use now that I am all in one planner, which is personal sized. So yeah, let's just jump right into it, I guess. So here we go. Now, I kind of did a very similar setup in this one as I did in my winter planner setup last year, which was in the same planner but in the A5 size. And I just love that setup. It was a lot of soft pinks and pastels, also a lot of blues, a lot of mixed metals, which I did the same. I actually took a lot of the same items from that planner and put in here as well, as you will notice if you've seen that one. So starting with the pockets, I have the big notepad. I love having some sort of notepad, in this case sticky notepad here, because whenever something comes up, it's easy for me to just jot down and then stick it wherever it needs attention. Like if I don't want to put it in my monthly or my weekly right away, I can just jot it down and then stick it in the weekly, for example, and then jot it down more neatly later. So it's very practical to have a notepad here, especially sticky notepad. Then I have this really gorgeous paper clip that says joy. I think I got this one. I think it's called Green and Lime. I mean, joy. It's a really good word for Christmas. I also have a big chunky gold clip here that is from K&Co. And then I also have another Green and Lime clip here, says peace. And joy and peace are very much Christmassy words, I would say. I also have this magnetic bookmark. This one is from Happy Scrappy, which I got in a kit a couple years ago, I think. The notepad is from Simply Gilded from, I believe it was the November box last year. Then I have some washi samples. These are the exact same that I had in my other setup. I just stole it from there and stuck in here. Good thing that the kikki.K pockets are the same size in all the planners, so you can easily just move things around. Then at the back, I do have some things. Since this is a new setup, I haven't actually used it that much, so I just put a bunch of stuff in there. We'll see how it goes. Firstly, I have some stickers that I got from Mommy Lay. These ones I got as a Patreon freebie earlier this year, which is really nice, winter themed. These are super cute, and I thought I could put them down somewhere on notes or anywhere. I wanted to remind myself that I actually have them, first of all, so that's why I stuck them right into the planner. Then I have some, I found this notepad in my stash. This one is from Kate Spade, actually. It's a really pretty just notepad. It's not sticky notes or anything, but oof. So I think some of them fell off the notepad. So I just thought, well, I might as well use them. So if you want to write somebody a note or just a reminder to put somewhere, it's good to have some paper. So I thought, why not? Also, the pink and gold just match this planner perfectly. So works really well in here. I have some winter themed coffee stickers from Hello Petite Paper. My gosh, it says right here. I mean, and also hot cocoa and stuff. So yeah, it's good to have to, like, I don't know if I'll actually use them, but once again, I put them in here so that I don't forget that I have them and I can use them, and they fit the setup really well. So, and last but not least, I have this set of seals, which are from Happy Scrappy. You'll see a lot of this kit in this planner. But also these stick out and, I mean, peek out really nicely. So I really like to have them there, and the really pretty glittery holographic foiling as well. And that is everything with the pockets on this side. Then we have the dashboard. This is just a journaling card from Simply Gilded I've had for a couple years. In silver foiling it says Peace on Earth, which, I mean, I believe isn't it from like Silent Night, the song or something. And it just, I mean, it fits the theme really nicely. This one I did have in my setup last year, but then it was just stuck onto one of the dividers. This year I decided to punch it and use it as a dashboard. I do like to have Simply Gilded or journaling cards in general as dashboards. The bad thing about them in personal sized planners is that in order to fit them in, you either have to cut them really narrow to stick onto a divider, or you can punch them and get a little more out of them, if you know what I mean. But then they are left with holes, so it's kind of a big step for me in case you want to reuse them for something else. But I've decided to just do and use the things I have and not think too much about, not overthink it too much, because that's something I've tended to do a lot in the past. So yeah, moving forward, I have nothing on the back here, and here starts the dividers. So I made all of my dividers out of paper from Happy Scrappy. I believe it was, gosh, this kit, was it like November or December kit last year? I can't exactly remember. It wasn't the same that these came with. But yeah, so I really like this knit pattern. Also kind of matches the planner really nicely. So that's the first divider, and that's the back of that paper. First section is monthly, and these stickers that you see on the dividers also came with, I think it was another kit from Happy Scrappy, but they're like clear, so I could easily put them on the dividers. The Happy Scrappy kits come with a lot of very useful stuff, so that's very nice, makes it easy to work with. Then I took some stickers that came with the other planner. Pretty much all the inserts are the same. If you watched that other video, you've seen this already. So I'll try to make this a bit more quick. But they match, they're gray, match this planner as well. So I put them here so hopefully I don't forget to use them. Then I have yearly overview. So 2020 will be the one that's relevant from pretty soon on. And then I have some sticky notes as well. I use a lot of sticky notes actually now, as I'm in school and everything, and quick reminders it's good to have. These ones are from kikki.K that I received. These are Christmas themed ones. I decided, since it is Christmas, why not have some Christmas themed things in here. I wanted to have more Christmas themed things, but it ended up being more of a winter setup than a Christmas setup, but oh well. On the other side, this is this is not a divider, this is like an alternative dashboard, or just like a page lifter. As you can see, it doesn't have a tab, and on the back I added a little pocket. This is like a sparkly like corner pocket that actually came with a Happy Scrappy kit as well. Really practical stuff. And I put some stickers that I'm currently using in my current week, just some functional ones, so I can like plan on the go. And yeah, it's really good to have there, and it's really good to have an extra pocket. Then we get to the monthlies, which are the same as last time, except I believe now I've done my December monthly finally. It's pretty empty so far. I need to be better at filling it out, but either way, then we have the rest of those. And then we get into weekly. I really like this paper with a little like houses, but also like the plaid-like design on the back, and the blue and the pink kind of stripes. Really nice. Here's some more kikki.K sticky notes, a bit of a bigger notepad. And then we get into my weekly view. Gosh, I forgot the word. So this is, I think last time I had not filled out these when I showed you, so this is how this week ended up looking. I really like working, like doing a weekly setup, because it's so small, like it's not an A5, you can really fill it up, and even if you don't want any white space, it's pretty easy to go no white space when the pages are so small, if you know what I mean. So this is the current week, and yeah, I haven't, as you can see, I'm kind of behind. I'm filming it here, so I need to back plan basically a lot, as you can see. It was a busy week. Either way, once again, these are from Jan Web Designs, a Swedish Etsy shop. And yeah, exactly, this is what I said. When something comes up, I just write it, and then I put it on the week that I know I'll need that info. Very nice. And the third divider is to do, and this is like my general to-do list. Here's also vellum from that same Happy Scrappy kit. So yeah, this is like general to do. I have the to do paper that came with my grey kikki.K personal size planner. And then we have the fourth divider, which is school. It's hard to see, but it's labeled school. And then I have some more vellum from Happy Scrappy. And yeah, I have taken out some pages that contain some kind of personal or sensitive info, so I just took it all out. But yeah, it's just some notes and to-do pages in here. I just jot things down. I don't really decorate the note sections. I just jot things down as they come, and then I can use that info for like planning my month or my week. Just very practical. I've become a lot more practical now when I use the planner on the go, and I don't really have time to decorate on the go all the time. So yeah. The, let's see, fifth divider says list. It's supposed to say home, but this set of stickers, clear stickers, it didn't come with a home version or a home tab, which was a little sad. So I took a general one and that says lists. So yeah, also more vellum. I love these little houses. This design is so cute. So yeah, this is the same as last time. It's just, you know, a bunch of note pages. Here's a super pretty like bow bookmark from Hello Petite Paper. I had it in my A5 planner, and I took it from there and put in here. And oh, it actually has some sensitive info on the back. Something to do with Christmas cards that I'll be sending out. And oh, this is, oh my gosh. This is like old lettering tries that I've done. And somehow, I don't know, I can only get better. Let's say that much. So yeah, I'll just leave that. Then I have some more note paper. And then the last tab is work. And once again, it's just work. So note paper, everything that has to do with work, I like document or write in here. And then I have a page litter, it's called. And I really like this paper as well. I love the polka dots and all the little illustrations. And then at the very back, as you can see, I have kept the notepad that the planner came with. I might take it out because it does become a bit chunkier with it. It is quite practical though. The good thing about this, I've noticed, is that this is actually the same size as the paper. So if you want to, you could actually take these off the notepad and punch them, and then just use it as like list paper or note paper in your planner. So it's really cute. So I might actually do that. Then the planner, the pen I chose for this planner is this super pretty, simply gilded signature pen. This one is a like pearlescent white with gold polka dots, and it's one of my favorite pens. I love her pens because they're super pretty and they feel really like high quality, and they write super nicely. So you get everything all in one. You don't have to choose pretty versus functional. You get everything here, and I love that so much. So I'm really happy that I had one that matched this setup specifically. But yeah, now that was my winter setup in my current planner, and this is the only planner I'm using at the moment, like I said. Also, I think I forgot to say, the clips I have here is, this one is from the Graceful Planner, I believe. I got this bow paper clip, and this one is from Plan with Emily. So I just have two little clips there. But yeah, I actually really like this setup. It is very similar to the one I did last year, so not really that new. But I loved it so much last year, and I'm happy I could kind of keep some of the same themes this year as well. But yeah, I hope you found this video interesting, or that you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for sticking till the end, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!